everybody, welcome back to Masse Art Studios. This is Lori. I am doing marble pour. However, I want to show you something different. What I have in front of me is an 8x10 canvas. I was going to use a larger one, but this is the one that I had right here in front of me. It's all taped up on the back and ready to go. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and use an 8x10. What I've chosen to do, I'm going to show you, I have 3 marbles here in front of me. Small, medium, and a large. This one's pretty hefty. They're all glass marbles. Different sizes. This one's probably golf ball size. This one's a regular size marble, like the shooter marbles. And this one's just in between. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some puddles here, and I'm going to use all 3 marbles. I think this is going to be very interesting. We shall see. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I have some amazing colors here that I absolutely love. They're all mixed up and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my white down in different areas. I'm going to do multiple puddles. I'm going to do 3 at the top, 2 in the center, and then 3 more at the bottom. Let me speed this part up for you. I'm going to torch this to remove some bubbles. I have 6 colors here. I have light blue will be my first color. I'm going to layer each color on top of one another on each puddle. I'm going to speed this up and then I'll be back. Whoop. Okay, I obviously didn't mean to put that much violet down there, but that's okay. The next color I have is really pretty. It's folk art color called Purple Topaz with a bit of that violet that I just laid down. I mixed those 2 together and it gives me this gorgeous, gorgeous shimmery purple. The next color is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. I'll leave the recipe that I'm using down below in the description box for you, and all of the colors as well. Next color is Primary Blue. My last color is Aqua Green. Okay, so all my colors are now laid down. I did rush this a little bit. My apologies. I should have been a little bit neater with it. However, I think it's still going to be absolutely gorgeous. And I'm not too worried about the way I laid the paints down because the marble goes through and wrecks it all anyway. I'm going to go ahead and torch air bubbles. If you'd like to check out some other really pretty marble pours, I suggest looking at B.R. Turner on YouTube. And also Masse Art. They have a great tutorial and recipe for this as well. I'll go ahead and link those channels down below in the description box for you. I'm gonna lay my marbles down. Oh, I just realized I missed a spot with my aqua. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I missed that, but I did. I'm glad I caught it. Here we go. I'm gonna put them right in the middle. Or drop them in the middle. Whichever. All right, here we go. Let's tilt. It appears the little marble is not rolling as much as the others. course, the large marble is very heavy compared to the others, so it's gonna roll faster. This is the first time I've tried doing this with multiple marbles. I thought I'd go ahead and give it a go and see what we get. It's a lot of fun, I gotta tell you that. Wow, this is funny. It's like a balancing act, but trying to watch all 3 marbles at the same time. I would like this marble to roll through that aqua. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is really pretty. Whoa, I almost lost the big one. All right, now it's just about done. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Typically, I roll the marble off the edge and let it go. However, I'm gonna stop and pick them up and take them out of the paint instead of rolling it off, because I don't want a trail that the marble leaves when you roll it off. I'm gonna start over here in this corner down here. See if I can turn it so you can see as well as I do this. We'll try to keep it in shot of the camera as best I can. Wow, the colors are superb. They're really pretty. I'm gonna tip it back to the center. And you know what? I think I'm just gonna go to the exact opposite corner here first. I'm gonna use a little bit of paint just to get this corner flowing. Use my finger rather to grab a little bit of the paint to help it along. The corner was dry there, so it wasn't gonna move very well. Wow, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna come this way now, this corner. Take it up towards you so you can see. Bringing it back to the center again. Wow, this is really pretty. We're gonna go down here and do this last corner. You want to make sure all your sides are covered, of course. That's what I'm trying to do as I tilt it. All my sides are completely covered. All the corners are covered. Now, let me just look at this for a second. I'm not sure about all this here. I like the colors a lot. I'm not sure about all the white. I'm going to tilt this a little more down this way. Now back to the center. Look at the edges. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. I'm really, really loving these colors together. This corner is gorgeous. Wow. I'm gonna take another look here. Something about this big white section though. So, my hands are covered in paint. I'm gonna switch my gloves. As I was taking my gloves off, I got splattered in the face with paint from my gloves. I'm putting on a fresh pair of gloves right now. I'm gonna add a little primary blue here. I'm gonna add a little bit of the metallic violet. And then just a touch of the aqua. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt this again. I'm gonna go this way towards the center first. I don't wanna lose too much of the colors up that top end there, so I'm gonna tilt it back this way now. I'm actually gonna take my skewer, run through the colors here. Oh, great. I'm gonna tilt this way. I'm actually going to tilt some of that off. I'm going to go towards that corner. All right, let's see what that looks like. Okay, like that. Wow, these colors are really pretty together. Wow, this section is absolutely beautiful. There's just different areas. They all look beautiful. This little part here where I lifted up one of the marbles is really pretty. This section up here, it has the dark purple running underneath the metallic is there. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and torch it now. I'm gonna clean up the bottom edges, and then I'm gonna take you down for a close-up. You can see this a little bit better. I apologize for my messy table here. I did a pour prior to this, and there's a bit of paint down on the mat already before I started this. My apologies, but this came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna bring the camera down for a close-up from a different view here. I think you're gonna enjoy this very much. All right, here we go. So I absolutely love this. I think the design I got from using 3 different size marbles is pretty neat. I really like this a lot. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you'll hit the like button. If you wouldn't mind, I'd appreciate that very much. Thank you. But look at the way all these colors have mixed. The metallics are gorgeous. The iridescence to this is amazing. This is super pretty. This is section over here. I love blues and aqua. It's like one of my favorite colors, so I just really love this section right here. But I love this whole thing. It just goes so nicely. I like the whole flow of it. Down here is really pretty. This here is the area where I lifted up one of the marbles. If I had to guess, I would guess the large marble. This section over here is amazing. Look at the edges. They're just beautiful. I can't wait till this dries. I will include a picture of this at the end of the video if it's completely dry before I upload. Different size marbles gave me different effects. Obviously the small marble will leave you these narrower lines here. And then the larger marble leaves you the larger sections. This was a lot of fun. You got to try it. If you're into fluid art, you should try this. This painting will be available for sale also. If you're interested in it, go to pizzazstudios.com. So thank you for joining me. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I'd appreciate that, and hit the bell notification so you're notified of any upcoming videos. I hope you have an awesome day. Enjoy yourself, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.